Hi everyone, this is Delphine here. Today I want to show you a very quick and easy trick when you have some overwhelming emotional state. For example, you hear something that really upset you, or you have someone in front of you that you feel like they're starting to feel overly sad, or even they're crying, or something they cannot take anymore, or you cannot take anymore. Or a kid, a kid who has some sort of a tantrum, and we don't know why sometimes they go into these tantrums and they're out of control, and sometimes you just want to shake them and like, okay, calm down. But all you need to do really, here is what you do. You have neurovascular points on your forehead as well as behind on your occiput area. So all you need to do is to put your hand here, put your other hand behind, and breathe like that a couple of times. You breathe in and out through your mouth. So breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And you stay like that as much as you need, up to 5 minutes if necessary, and it just calms down. It's sending a physical signal to your body to tell him it's okay, we can calm down, we're in a safe environment, it's gonna be all okay. And you put the intention for yourself, okay, this is overwhelming for me, but I want to calm down, get back under control of my emotional state, and find a new sense of peace, inner peace in your heart. You can totally also bring exactly your attention to your heart. Like, you breathe in and you breathe in your heart, breathe out, and you're completely relaxed. So you do that a few minutes. And every time you see someone being in panic or something, have this reflex of helping them like that, if they're okay for them to, for you to touch them. If not, they do it themselves. Okay, so this is a very, very easy tool. You don't need anything, but just to put your hands, breathing calmly, put your intention of anything you need to achieve at this point, and it works wonderful. The other thing it works for as well is if that emotional state happened a few days ago, a few minutes ago, a few months ago, you go back into this emotional state, as long as it's not too overwhelming. Of course, we don't want you to get too uncomfortable, and you go back to it and you sink into it nicely with your hands like that. You put your intention in your heart, in the love, in the light, and you breathe in, breathe out a few minutes, and test how you feel after. So when you do this type of thing, it's also interesting to rate from 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, how you feel before you do it, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how you feel after you do it, just so you can have a sense of, did it do good on me or not? Otherwise we're not always too much aware of what's good for us or not. On that, I wish you a very good day. I hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to comment on my underneath on the comment section, and you can get a hold of me through my website if you have any question. Again, have a good day. Lots of love, lots of light to you. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.